I will have everything linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out.
And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I love to craft. Today we are going to be working on a 3D puzzle. This is by the brand Ben Larkey and this is called the Book Nook, and this is the version cheese book. So it has little lights inside of here. This is going to be so much fun. It says it's a 2-hour project. It has 310 pieces. The recommended age range is 14 and up. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. I'm just going to take a little pair of scissors that I have sitting right here, and we're just going to cut the packaging like that. I'm very excited to put this together. I've never had anything like this except for like Legos, but that doesn't really, compare. Let's take a look at the back. So again, the series name is called Book Nook. Product name is the Cheese Book. Main material is board, plastic, and paper, and then has contact information and then additional images here. So there are some images on how it's going to look once we put it all together. So I thought that you could just slide it, but it's not really moving. So let's cut the box open. I should have gotten my bigger scissors. We'll go ahead and set this to the side. And then it comes in this box like this. I love the packaging. It seems like it's very secure in here. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that's included. We have this little baggie here. It has a sticker sheet. It looks like a tool here, a battery pack, a file, some B7000. All right, we'll set that to the side. It comes with an instruction book. All right, so I'm definitely going to take a look over this. That way that I'll know exactly what I'm doing. Let's just take a look at a couple additional things. So we have some acetate here, and it looks like it was already pre-cut. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but it does have some pre-cut things in here. Here is a piece. This might just be like a little extra something. All right, let's take a look at this right here. So this is wrapped up. Looks like nothing has fallen out. So this just is probably like an extra piece that they included. We also have some stickers on the top. All right, so I'm going to pause. I'm going to read the instruction book. That way that I can go ahead and get myself very familiar with this, and I'll be right back. All right, so I think that I'm very familiar with what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and cut open this plastic piece. So I got that opened, and it comes with several boards like this. And then of course that sticker sheet, and then we have another smaller board here. So I'm going to move the big box out of the way, and I have my instructions right here, kind of a little bit off camera, but we are going to start with piece B8, A9, and A9. So let's try to find B8. And it looks like everything is labeled on the back. So we have A9 here. Let's see how easy this is to like punch out. Oh yeah, that was super easy. All that I did was just gently press it and it fell out. So it looks like these are cut very, very good. There's our two A9 pieces. We need a B8, which is a bigger piece. So let's see. I'm thinking that this one right here is it. B8, yep. All right, this is a bigger piece. That was super easy to punch out. All right, so I'm going to hold it like this, and we have this little flower kind of design facing upwards. So now we need to add A9 to this hole and this hole. So So we'll put it in like that. Just gently slide it in there. And then we'll put the other one in there. All right, perfect. So this is what we have on our first step, and I'm going to go a little bit quicker. It's just, this is my first time doing this project, and I'm just trying to take as much caution as possible. That way that I'm not messing up.
And this is how it turned out. Super cute, super easy. I would highly recommend it.